Now I'm going to start the Laravel development server. Just open your terminal and type pip artisan serve. This command will launch the local server and give you a URL, usually HTTP 127.0.0.1 8000. This line forces the browser to move to the login page. Okay, you can see we're getting an error saying the database is not connected. Now we're ready to create our database tables, so let's run the migration command. This will create all the default Laravel tables in our database. Now let's go back to the browser and refresh the page again. Now go ahead and click the sign up button to create a new account. After the account is created, the system will automatically redirect us to the dashboard. Now let's take a look at the theme customizer. This panel allows you to personalize the entire layout of your admin dashboard. You can switch between different layout types, such as vertical, horizontal, two-column, or semi-boxed. The theme customizer gives you full control over the appearance of the dashboard, making it easy to match your brand style or personal preference. Simply switch between light and dark mode to match your preference. This section lets you control the layout width of the dashboard. Select the style that best fits your design preference. This option allows you to control the layout position of the dashboard. Select the position that feels most comfortable for your workflow. This setting lets you change the color of the top bar. Choose the style that best matches your dashboard theme. This option allows you to choose the size of the sidebar. Pick the size that fits your workflow and screen preference. This setting lets you choose how the sidebar appears. Choose the view style that best matches your design preference. This option allows you to change the color of the sidebar. Simply select the sidebar color you prefer and the design updates instantly. This setting lets you customize the sidebar with background images. Select the image you like and it will instantly appear as the sidebar background. This option lets you choose the primary color of the dashboard. Simply select the color you prefer and the entire theme updates instantly to match your choice. This setting allows you to choose a preloader for your dashboard. Select the style you like or turn it off if you prefer no loading animation. And if you want to start fresh, there's a reset button at the bottom, along with a buy now button if you want to purchase the full advanced version. Now let's take a look at the e-commerce dashboard. This dashboard gives you a complete overview of your online store's performance. This section shows the flag icons used for language selection. This section gives you quick access to various web apps integrated into the dashboard. This section shows the My Cart panel where you can quickly view the items you've added to your shopping cart. This button allows you to switch the dashboard into full screen mode. This button lets you switch between light mode and dark mode. This icon shows your notifications. When you click it, you'll see recent alerts such as messages, updates, system warnings, or activity inside the dashboard. This is the profile drop-down menu. When you click on your profile picture, it opens a menu with quick access to your personal settings. It's a simple and convenient way to access all your user-related options in one place. Here, you can upload new files, organize them into folders, and keep track of important project resources. You can preview documents, rename them, download them, or delete files you no longer need. It helps teams stay organized by keeping all project-related materials in one central place. With quick actions and a clean layout, managing your project documents becomes easy and efficient. This is the profile settings page. Here, users can update their personal information, such as their name, email address, phone number, and profile picture. They can also adjust account preferences, change their password, and manage privacy or notification settings. Everything is organized into clean sections, making it easy to review and update your details. This is the tasks Kanban board. Here, all tasks are organized into columns such as to do, in progress, and completed, giving you a clear visual overview of your workflow. You can easily drag and drop tasks between columns to update their status. Each task card shows key details like the title, priority, and due date, making it simple to track progress at a glance. The Kanban board is perfect for managing projects, improving productivity, and keeping your team aligned. From here, you can update the task status, change the priority, upload files, or leave notes for your team. This layout makes task management simple and efficient, especially when working with large teams or multiple projects. All your tasks are displayed in a structured table showing important details like task name, status, priority, due date, and assigned users. The help page provides users with quick access to support resources, documentation, and guidance on how to use the system effectively. It is designed to assist users when they face issues, need clarification, or want to learn more about different features. The lock screen page is used to secure the application when a user steps away from their device. The logout page is responsible for securely ending the user's session and redirecting them out of the application. This is the Analytics dashboard, a powerful overview page designed to help you monitor key performance metrics in real time. It provides visual insights using charts, graphs, and statistical widgets that allow you to understand trends quickly and make data-driven decisions. This is the CRM dashboard, a central hub designed to help you manage customer relationships efficiently. Here you can get a complete overview of your customers, leads, sales performance, and interactions all in one place. The dashboard displays key metrics such as total leads, active customers, conversion rates, and ongoing deals. This is the crypto dashboard designed for monitoring digital asset performance in real time. It gives you a clear overview of your crypto portfolio, market trends, live price updates, and recent transactions. This is the project's dashboard, a centralized view designed to help you track all active, upcoming, and completed projects with ease. It provides a quick overview of project status, team performance, deadlines, and overall progress. The project's dashboard is perfect for keeping teams aligned, improving collaboration, and ensuring that every project stays on track. This is the NFT dashboard, a specialized interface designed for managing and tracking digital collectibles. Here, users can view market trends, monitor their NFT portfolio, and explore top-performing collections in real time. This is the job dashboard, a complete overview designed to help you manage job postings, candidates, and hiring activities efficiently. It gives recruiters and HR teams a clear snapshot of ongoing recruitment processes. This dashboard keeps your hiring workflow organized, allowing you to manage recruitment tasks smoothly and make decisions with confidence. This is the blog dashboard, a centralized space designed for managing all blog-related content and activities. It provides a clear overview of published posts, drafts, comments, and overall engagement. This is the sign-in page, the main access point for users to log into the system. This is the sign-up page where new users can create an account to access the system. This is the password reset page where users can recover access to their account if they've forgotten their password. This is the password change page where users can update their current password to keep their account secure. This is the lock screen page, a security feature that protects the user's session when they are away from their device. This is the logout page, the confirmation screen that appears when a user chooses to sign out of the system. This is the success message page, a confirmation screen that appears after a user completes. A button is provided to guide the user back to the login page or continue to the next step. This is the two-step verification page, an additional security layer that protects the user's account from unauthorized access. This is the 404 error page, which appears when the user tries to access a page that doesn't exist or cannot be found. This is the 500 error page, which appears when the server encounters an unexpected problem and cannot process the request. This is the offline page, which appears when the system detects that the user has lost their internet connection. Alright, here we have the lock screen. This page appears when the user steps away or the session is temporarily locked. To unlock the system, all we need to do is enter our password and it will take us back to the dashboard. This is the logout feature. Once you click logout, the system will end your session and take you back to the login page. Routes in Laravel are used to connect a URL to a specific page or function. The resources folder is where all the front-end files of your Laravel project are stored, like Blade templates, CSS, JavaScript, and images. Inside here, we have all the files that control our database structure and sample data, like migrations, seeders, and factories. We use this folder to store custom helper functions that we want to use anywhere in our Laravel project. Controllers handle the logic of our application. They receive requests, process the data, and return responses or views. A model is basically a connection between Laravel and your database tables.